The ELLIPAL Starter is an entry-level cryptocurrency hardware wallet designed for secure offline storage of your digital assets. It represents a foundational step into self-custody for those new to the world of cold storage. This device focuses on core security principles while maintaining simplicity for ease of use. The starter device operates in a completely air-gapped manner. This means it has absolutely no connection to the internet, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi. All transaction signing is done via QR codes, ensuring a physical separation between your private keys and any potential online threats. This air-gap technology is a critical feature, preventing remote hacking attempts that target internet-connected devices. When you want to send a transaction, you initiate it on the associated ELLIPAL mobile app. The app generates an unsigned transaction request as a QR code. You then scan this QR code with the starter device. The device securely signs the transaction internally using your private keys, and then displays a new signed QR code. Finally, you scan this signed QR code back into the app, which then broadcasts the transaction to the blockchain. Your private keys never leave the secure environment of the hardware wallet. The user experience prioritizes straightforward operation. Setting up the device and backing up the seed phrase is guided step by step. It supports a wide range of major cryptocurrencies, allowing users to secure various assets in one place. The physical design is compact and durable, meant to be easily carried or stored. Ultimately, the ELLIPAL Starter is positioned as a reliable, straightforward, and highly secure tool. It provides a strong layer of defense against malware, phishing, and online hacking, making it an excellent choice for individuals beginning their journey toward taking full, secure control of their cryptocurrency holdings.